Ever wondered what the most interesting Lamborghinis in the USA are? Well, wonder no more. We're about to embark on a thrilling journey through the world of these iconic Italian speed machines, counting down the top 5 most fascinating Lamborghinis gracing the roads of the USA today. Starting at number 5, we have the Lamborghini Aventador. This is not just a car, it's a rare masterpiece. With only 20 models ever produced, its exclusivity is unquestionable. Sporting a stealth jet-inspired design, it boasts a 6.5-litre V12 engine, producing a staggering 640 horsepower. Its uniqueness and power make it one of the most interesting Lamborghinis in the USA. Sliding into the number 4 spot, we have the Lamborghini Elemento. As the name implies, this model is all about the sixth element on the periodic table, carbon. A testament to Lamborghini's innovative spirit, the Sesto Elemento is a stunning display of lightweight carbon fiber construction. Weighing less than 1,000 kilograms, it offers an unparalleled power-to-weight ratio, making it one of the most exciting Lamborghinis to drive. In the middle of our countdown at number 3, we find the Lamborghini Veneno. This car is a celebration of speed and aerodynamics. With a design inspired by racing prototypes, it's a road-legal race car with an impressive 740 horsepower. Only 9 of these beauties were made, enhancing its allure and placing it firmly in our countdown. Narrowly missing the top spot at number 2 is the Lamborghini Centenario. Created to commemorate the 100th anniversary of founder Ferruccio Lamborghini's birth, this car is a tribute to his vision and passion. With a V12 engine producing 770 horsepower, it's a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. It's a car that embodies Lamborghini's commitment to pushing boundaries and challenging the status quo. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Taking the coveted number 1 spot, we have the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. This car is the epitome of Lamborghini's dedication to innovation and performance. With its 6.5-litre V12 engine producing a mind-boggling 770 horsepower. The Aventador SVJ is a beast on the road. It's not just about power, though. It's about precision, handling, and an unparalleled driving experience. It's the ultimate expression of what a Lamborghini can be, making it the most interesting Lamborghini in the USA. And there we have it. From the exclusive Aventador to the ultimate Aventador SVJ, these are the top 5 most interesting Lamborghinis in the USA, each one a testament to Lamborghini's relentless pursuit of performance, innovation, and exclusivity. So the next time you're daydreaming about Italian speed machines, remember these 5 fascinating Lamborghinis. They're not just cars, they're legends on wheels.